Have you ever lost yourself in the world of gaming? The lights dim, your heart races, every sound matters. But then background noise breaks the magic. A vacuum, a crying baby, keyboard clicks, shatter immersion. You wish you could silence the chaos just for a while. You crave crystal clear sound, every detail, every beat. You want to feel the game, not just play it. Imagine a headset that understands your passion. Introducing the Audeze Maxwell wireless gaming headset. Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. It's more than just a headset, it's your escape. With 80+ hours of wireless play, the adventure never ends. A quick 20-minute charge gives you a full day's play. No more waiting, just pure, uninterrupted gaming. Feel the thunder with Audeze's 90mm planar drivers. 3 times larger than other headsets, hear the difference. Deep bass, rich dynamics, every note comes alive. Lose yourself in immersive soundscapes every single time. Advanced AI noise filtering blocks out life's distractions. Your voice is clear, no matter the chaos around you. No more apologies for background noise. Speak, strategize, and connect without interruption. Whether you're gaming, working, or listening to music. Switch seamlessly between Bluetooth and USB connections. Compatible with PlayStation, Mac, PC, and Switch. Not all headsets are made equal. Choose what fits you. Need Xbox support? Choose our alternate Maxwell version. Premium comfort for marathon sessions, no fatigue. Ergonomic metal frame, contoured memory foam earpads. Every detail designed for your comfort and joy. Award-winning drivers deliver sound you can feel. Professional gamers trust Audeze for a reason. Streamers, audiophiles, and remote workers love the clarity. No more compromise, just pure, high-fidelity audio. Customize your sound with the free Audeze HQ app. Set your own EQs, tailor your experience, make every session uniquely yours. For music lovers, every note is a revelation. For remote workers, every call is crystal clear. For gamers, every moment is immersive and thrilling. Imagine sharing laughter with friends, voices crisp and true. Imagine hearing every footstep, every whisper in-game. Imagine being present, focused, and undisturbed. You deserve a headset that matches your passion. You deserve technology that supports your dreams. You deserve comfort, clarity, and connection. Audeze Maxwell is more than hardware. It's a companion. It's there for every victory, every late-night session. It's there for every heartfelt conversation. It's there when you need to tune out the world. It's there when you need to focus and create. It's there when you need to feel every beat. No more tangled wires, no more short battery life. No more muffled voices, no more missed details, no more settling for less than you deserve. Step into a world where sound is pure and powerful. Step into a world where you are truly heard. Step into a world where comfort lasts for hours. Step into a world where you can be yourself. Let Audeze Maxwell be your gateway to better experiences. Let it carry you through epic adventures and quiet moments. Let it bring you closer to the people you care about. Let it help you focus on what matters most. Life is noisy, but your world doesn't have to be. Find peace, find joy, find clarity with Audeze Maxwell. Every day is a new chance to experience more. Every session is a chance to connect deeper. Every moment is a chance to feel alive. Don't just hear the difference, feel it. Bring home the Audeze Maxwell wireless gaming headset today. Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. Transform your sound, transform your world. Start now.